Sabaidi Pinang, we are making Khao Nom san. Welcome back to Saeng's Kitchen. My goal is to uplift, preserve, and make Lao food mainstream, where tradition meets modern Lao America. I grew up in a household where my mom always made Lao food, and now I'm here to pass down these delicious traditions. We are making Khao Nom san, and it literally translates to layered dessert because there's a lot of layers in this dessert. You can have fun just peeling off the layers, eating as you go, or just chewing it right down the middle and taking all the layers in one bite. This is a dessert found all across Southeast Asia, and I'm going to show you how to make the Lao style with a little tweaks and a little variation. So let's get cooking. I'm obsessed with butterfly pea flour because it is one of the few natural blue colors in the world. And literally in Laos, you can find this everywhere. So that's why I use it so much and love using it. So go ahead and grab dry butterfly pea flour. I'm gonna link you all below where you can grab your own butterfly pea flour because I know it can be hard to source sometimes. And then we're just gonna put the butterfly pea flour in a bowl and get some hot water and go ahead and pour some of that hot water into the bowl and then let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes as we work on the other stuff. Now in a large bowl, go ahead and add the tapioca flour, jasmine rice flour, sugar, a little bit of salt, and then mix. Don't forget about your salt in your desserts. Just a little bit goes a long way. For example, sodium ions actually attach to any bitter flavors in your foods, hence suppressing the bitter flavors and making your desserts taste so much better. So we should all be salt-based most of the time. Right, Galabao? She was whining, so that's why she's up here. Once all your flour is mixed, go ahead and add the coconut milk. And making your fresh coconut milk makes a huge difference. So I'm gonna link you all below on my video of how to make coconut milk. And then go ahead and whisk everything until it is very smooth. And now we're gonna equally separate this into two bowls. Now in one of the bowls, you're gonna add half a cup of that butterfly pea blue water and go ahead and pour it in. You're gonna see it magically just dye all your coconut light blue. For the same bowl, I like to add 1 drop of ube flavoring and then also another drop of sky blue coloring. And that gives a really nice color that I love in this dessert. And for the other bowl, you're just gonna add half a cup of regular room temperature water. I'm using a regular cake pan, so I'm just gonna spray it with non-scented and flavored cooking oil. So spray that up so nothing sticks. Also, if you enjoyed my videos and are interested in supporting my channel directly, please head over to patreon.com/Saeng Douangdara to learn about the perks, digital downloads, and all the extra exclusives in joining my Patreon community. So go ahead and bring some water to a boil in your steamer. Once it's ready, go ahead and put your cake pan right into the steamer. And now there's a method to this. I like using the darker color first. You see that it's a lighter color now, but it's actually gonna turn much darker once it's fully cooked. So we're gonna use this purple blue mixture first and about 1/4 of a cup, and go ahead and carefully put it into the cake pan. Common mistakes in making Khao Nom san. Yes, this is the lid that I'm using. I wanna make sure that you all are fully aware this is a towel that's wrapped around the lid, so any of that moisture that kind of goes to the top does not go back down into your dessert, okay? So this is really important. And then mistake number 2 is make sure that your layers are fully cooked. So if you're worried, go ahead and add another minute or 2 to make sure that everything is one single colored and everything's fully cooked. Don't make the mistake I did. See, watch. Go ahead and cover the steamer, and each layer is gonna take 5 minutes. And pour. Stop, ma'am. I'm trying to teach people how to cook. Look at her, she's so cute, but she's so loud. Can you be quiet so I can cook? You're gonna be quiet, right? Be quiet. For the second layer, you're gonna take another 1/4 of a cup and slowly pour that right on top. And if you did it right, everything should look normal. So I actually made a big mistake, and I was using a different stove, which was totally different in its heat. And you can see that it wasn't fully cooked, and adding the second layer on top ruined my batch. So I'm trying to say, don't do this, let it fully cook, and then move on. So this is you have to be patient. This is gonna be a process, y'all. So again, cover it, let it cook for 5 minutes, and then repeat. And I like to do this for about 9 layers total, okay? And your 9 layers will get to the results of what I'll show you once I'm finished. While you're doing all these layers, because each layer takes 5 minutes, you're gonna wanna make sure you have some extra hot water on hand just in case that your steamer runs out of water and you burn your house down. You don't wanna burn your house down. So now that we have our 9-layer dessert cooked, it's not done yet because it's steaming hot. So carefully take it out of your steamer, put it somewhere where it can just cool. I usually find that within an hour or two, depending on your temperature, that's enough time, and then we'll come back to it in just a little bit. So now you probably see that you have all this extra coconut mixture with the also butterfly pea mixture. With the extra, I actually love making these cute cartoon looking desserts with them. So I actually have some right here. So we have this one, it actually has Douangdara, which is the national flower of Laos. And then it has some flowers. And then I got these also, some other flowers, caterpillars, butterflies. And then this extra cute one, y'all. There's some bears, lions, pigs. Oh my. For all of these, I'll link you all below on where you can get them. These are super cute. And I can definitely see myself making this with my nieces and nephew. They love cute things. So if you have kids, this will be a fun activity for you all to do and also enjoy eating. We're gonna make these like animal miniature desserts. And so the process is really similar. Instead of 9 layers, we're doing 4 layers. And this is actually much faster. So it's gonna be about 3 minutes total for each layer to finish cooking. The first layer, instead of the dark purple color, I actually like doing the white color because that helps the animal stand out even more. So we're gonna add the white coconut mixture, let it cook for 3 minutes, open it back up, and now add the butterfly pea mixture. Again, another 3 minutes, and then repeat 2 more times, and then you have your animals that are done, the Khao Nom Sun animals. It is quite cute and it actually cools down way faster. You'll notice that you can start peeling them off right away. You don't have to add any oil because we're using silicone molds. It is super safe on at least steam heat. And I'm gonna show you all. I'm gonna come up and just show you all because it's really cute. These bears, they're mega cute. And watch how easy it is to actually just peel one. So I'm gonna peel this top bear off. So all you do is just gently push it out. Oh my gosh, look. Let's see if you can focus on the bear. Look how cute that is. Here is the Douangdara. And then again, you wanna carefully push these out. Okay, and boom! Look how cute this is. Isn't that gorgeous? It's not cute, this is gorgeous. Y'all, like, this is so fun to make, play with, and also eat. So make sure you get these molds. All right, so the huge cake pan Khao Nom Sun has cooled for about 1.5 hours. I'm ready to take it out. Because we oiled it, it's gonna come out way easier. So you can help it come out just a little bit by just going towards any of the edges and kind of nudging it out. And it should plop right out just like this. And you're gonna have a beautiful, huge cake that has 9 different layers. It is so pretty to see. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a cutting board and then go ahead and get a knife. And then, so with the knife, you actually don't cut it like a regular knife like this. You just kind of push all the way straight down through the knife carefully, and the Khao Nom should eventually just split. And then, so I'm just gonna start cutting these into small cubes, taking off the rounded edges just for aesthetics. You can still eat everything, including the edges, but I'm gonna plate the cubes that we're gonna have. All right, everything is plated, everything's cooled down, and we have our delicious Khao Nom Sun with our Khao Nom Sun animals and flowers. So I'm gonna come up so you all can see all the tiny layers and enjoy this Khao Nom Sun with me. There it is. So look how gorgeous this Khao Nom Sun is. I just love actually just looking at how beautiful this dessert is. It takes a lot of patience, so I know the work it takes every time I see this at grocery stores. Let's go ahead and grab this one. I see some of the layers already starting to pull off, so I like pulling the layers off slowly. And then you have a little bit of coconut layer. I have 2 of them, and enjoy. It's like glides in your mouth with that smooth coconut and that nice tapioca texture. This will keep your kids quiet as they enjoy each layer. And it might even take them the whole time, so bring this on a car ride. The little Khao Nom Sun bear. So I'm just gonna enjoy this as a whole and bite its head off. So fun to eat, y'all. With this recipe, it's gonna be so easy. I think I would definitely make this a tradition to make with little kids because this is something that'll get them into cooking. It's super cute, it's super delicious, and not too sweet. So enjoy the Khao Nom Sun with the little kids around you. But even the adults will love this. I hope you all enjoyed learning how to make Khao Nom Sun. You can make this the day before and actually just leave it out. Do not put it in your fridge or else it's gonna get too hard and not a good chewy texture. So let me know in the comments below what other flavors or colorings you like to make your Khao Nom Sun. Please support by sharing, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you all next time on Saeng's Kitchen. Bye! This past weekend, we actually went apple picking and it was a lot of fun. I'm gonna show you a little quick footage right here. I'm out here at Stone Pantry Orchard. There's not that many apples left, but we got here just in time to pick a few apples, like one right here, and they are very crunchy and delicious. Galabao's favorite foods are apples and egg whites. So when I'm feeding Galabao, especially an apple, I take a small bite, and just feed her. Come here. Okay, good girl, sit. Satu, yeah, Satu. See, she Satus. There you go. She loves apples, y'all. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.